Ghost Killers, welcome back to some screwing around. Today we're in Minecraft. Isn't that right? We are in the HMS Love Boat SSN. Long name. Over there is the boat. I don't know. Let's go steal it from it. What do they have? They got giant bush. Over there's the Love Shack. That's where all the magic happens. You know what I mean? I want a fish. Come here, spider. Come at me, baby. Wow, that thing broke. Hitting you with everything I've got. How big it is. Okay. No, I was talking about the boat. Get your minds out the gutter, people. I need to get mine out too. Okay, what does he got? Got food. Food. What does he got? Ooh! Got nothing. What are we gonna do? Oh my gosh, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it off again. How big it is. Just go mess around and destroy stuff. Whee! Where's that village? I wanna go destroy the village. Look at my boat on the map. It's like a foot long. $5 foot long. It's not even $5 anymore, dude. It's like a $6 foot long. They destroyed the gimmick. What is that? Oh, it's not. Boosh, boosh, boo doo. So this is our world. Oh. So I'll tell you the story of this guy. He wants me to game share Minecraft. So what I have to do is I have to give him my account's email, my account's password. I do not trust him because one, he'll have access to my dad's email, and two, he'll have access to my account, and so that he can do whatever he wants to it, even though I have no money in it. He probably put a virus, and so he said trust me and everything. I don't even know the guy. He's probably some pedophile, and he's offline. That's good. So I was getting tired of dealing with him. I'm not a bad person. I just love my account. I've had it for like 5 years. There's just a tree in the water. I hate these lily pads. Well, I mean, I kind of like them. So, some of y'all, I'm gonna say that, y'all, some of y'all probably remember, oh, now he's back online. Some of y'all remember, the Dead Island video, the first black man to the moon? That was the title. Y'all may remember my friend Genius on there. Yeah, this is our world together. We're married. Yeah. That's why we got the Love Shack. Just kidding, the Love Shack's for chickens. Oh, I'm almost level 30. Or is that 23? Find out soon. On Dragon Ball Z. Oh, it's over here. This reminds me of Skyrim. I mean, not Minecraft kind of does, but I mean, like, our map. I mean, look, yeah, like, I mean, right now I'm, like, where Oblivion was set, and then I'm going to where, I don't mean, like, I know, like, Oblivion and all this were set in, like, different places, but I mean, like, the position of them. I mean, I know Skyrim wasn't set in the desert, but I'm just saying, like, I'm in Oblivion right now, and then Skyrim's over there, and then, like, right over there is, like, Sexville, Bangville. I don't know. There's this stupid thing. Oh, cow. Gonna fish you. And, oh my gosh. I should have a musical episode of Bus Ride Home Daily. I just buy, whoa, 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 welcome to Bus Ride Home Daily. And by random trash can, oh no, here it comes. It'd be like Glee, like that South Park episode they had where it was just like High School Musical. We just have a Glee episode. Why are villages so crappy? I mean, like, they're like in the ground, or like they they can't even get in or out of their houses. I mean, this one kind of looks decent. Probably because we, like, kind of fixed it. But, I mean, look. That is just literally in the ground. Are there any villagers in? There's, like, 3. No. I got, like, 3 emeralds. I need to trade them for something. An emerald for 8 cookies. That's a bad deal, because cocoa beans are so easy. That's pretty good. The white wool, I mean, I got, like, a bunch because I'm making the boat. There's a whale. Come on, y'all gotta have something. That may be kind of decent. That's good, but emeralds are worthless here. I'm not gonna keep these emeralds. They're taking up space. I'm gonna check this last guy if he doesn't have anything. I'm gonna get the bread. That's horrible. An emerald and 10 gravel for 2 flint. I could get 2 flint out of the 10 gravel I'm giving to you. Actually, I'm gonna keep y'all because I know, like, when I give y'all stuff, then y'all have stuff to trade me. So I'm gonna keep y'all. I need to find something that is easy. Where's the wheat guy? There you are. Okay, 18 wheat. I have 5. I need 13. It's the greatest thing. You can just steal from them. They don't need it. They don't eat. I'm not mean. Everybody has done this once in Minecraft. Just go to a village and steal all of their crops. Because you know, 1, they don't need it. 2, you need it more. And 3, you can trade with them. Now where's the wheat guy? I traded all mine for cookies. Cookie! C is for cookie, and that's good enough for me. Shout out to Sesame Street. What the heck? Look at that torch, it's just floating. I'm gonna leave that there, that was pretty cool. Do, stealing stuff, do. Dang, I just found the gold mine for wheat. So I'm just gonna steal all the crops. Like, they're gonna have nothing. I'll give them, like, potatoes, because they can't even bake them, and they only do, like, 1 food, so they have, like, make 30, like, they'll make, like, 10 things just to fill up their hungriness. Douche. I'm not saying I'm a douche. Okay, I think I got, like, 2 emeralds right here. Watermelon! That is a good deal, actually. Sir, that was a good deal. Now arrows. You know, that was actually a good deal. Because so now I can just make a melon farm. Sweet, I'm gonna turn half of these into seeds. Sweet, so this village is actually good. Oh, there's more. That's kind of okay. See, those are kind of okay for, like, enchanting stuff. Oh, I need to find some villages. Like, when they go inside, just, like, trap them in, so 1, they cannot die, and 2, I can keep them forever, and just, like, bank off them. Because, like, the last village I had was kind of bad. Oh, there's more wheat. Yes! Awesome. Stealing your crops, stealing your crops, do, stealing your crops. I need Y'all got any more crops? Yes, y'all do. Oh, that was it. Probably need to replant. Oh. Y'all trapped. I need to keep the one guy in here. Did he leave? Oh, he left. I need to find him. See him here? There you are. Boosh. Boosh. Nice. Oh, you don't have any. I'm just losing my mind. Oh, hey, shoving brothers. Oh, there is potatoes. 18. You're like twin brothers. Wow, this house is crappy. I need to trap more villagers. I need blocks. I have gravel. People, get inside your houses. It's an emergency. Is there a villager in here? No. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You just freaking left. Oh, sweet. It's getting nighttime. Well, it looks like that's all the time for today. Thank you so much for watching Ghost Killers. My name is the Ghostkiller 987. And I will see you next time.